Hey guys, so on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I pick my Greek yogurt when I go grocery shopping. First of all, I don't pick whole milk, I pick non fat. I go straight to the ingredients list, and if I see anything more than milk and life cultures, I put it back in the shelf. And I go straight to the calorie section and I check how many. Usually 80 to 90 will be fine for me per serving size. So if I see outrageous, amounts like 200, 130, 150, I put it back in the shelf. I check the cholesterol percentage or milligram. About 10 milligram will be fine or less. I do check the sodium contents. If it's too high or greater than the sugar content, the sugar content as well needs to be 0 gram for me. Yes, because about 4 or 5 grams of sugar is already coming from the lactose present in the milk. So I go for 0 gram of sugar. I go for low calorie, about 60, 70, 80 thereabout, and I go for something with a very short ingredient list, not a bunch of high fructose corn syrup, starches, tapioca starch, artificial sweeteners, lectin, just a bunch of something I don't know. So if I see that, I put it back in the shelf. Also, I don't pick anything that has artificial flavors, like Greek yogurts that have strawberry flavors in it, or they're vanilla flavored. So I don't pick that. I pick something plain. So if I want to sweeten it at home, I just use natural fruits. So guys, I this is something that I pick all the time, this brand of Chobani. The fact that this is healthy doesn't mean all the brands are healthy, so you have to really check. So as you can see, this has just cultured milk and the life cultures and 90 calories, and something this is something that I would pick, guys. So there are a whole bunch of brands out there with claims that they are healthy, but you really need to check the label and know what you're taking in. Except of course you don't mind, you're not on a calorie deficit diet, or you're not on any sort of lifestyle or diet modification to better your health. But I am, so I check. So because I like to take Greek yogurt, and I use it to in many of my recipes. I also use it as a substitute, for mayonnaise and other stuff that I don't want in my diet or I want to limit. So this is the mini tub. This is the one I picked. This is Chobani Greek yogurt, non-fat, plain. As you can see, 14 gram of protein. That's something too that you want to check, how many grams of protein it has. The ingredients: cultured non-fat milk and life cultures, awesome. Grade A milk, awesome. Just 80 calories, awesome. I usually would take half of this, and put my fruits on it. What else do we see? Sodium, 55 milligram, awesome. Could be lower, but awesome. Yeah, fiber, less than 1 gram. The total carbs, 6 gram. Total sugars, 5 gram. That's from the lactose, like I said earlier. But then 0 grams added sugar, awesome. This is it. And then the protein, 14 gram. As you can see, they really already highlighted what you need to watch out for: the cholesterol, the protein, the sodium. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video blessed you, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If you want me to do a more detailed video, I will. Thank you much.